Hi everyone! In today's episode of Tellie's Kracie Popin Cooking Adventures, we're gonna take the burger, french fries, and cola kit. I think this is just an ordinary fast food kit. I've already done this Kracie kit before, and actually it's so entertaining because it's not flavored candy. It tastes how the real food is supposed to taste like. So the burger tastes like actual burger, the fries really taste like fries, and the cola obviously tastes like cola. So let's begin. Let's test it, but we'll see. First, we open it up, make an incision. So this is the mixing plates and bowls, a knife, a spoon, a cup, an orange, blue, and red one, brown, yellow, and pink one. So I'm just gonna cut wherever the tray has deep lines. Take the serrated bowl and add 2 cups of water to it. The yellow sachet is your potato mix. Once it's all mixed, press the dough firmly to the bottom of the mold. It smells like real potato. So in the star mixing bowl, take your brown sachet, add 2 cups of water, roll the dough into a ball and press it securely to the middle mold. I'm still keeping the star mixing bowl. I'm now gonna go with the bun mix. So the patty mix, it was like really thick, but the bun mix is a little bit watery. Then I'm just gonna fill each bun mold to the line. So this is my fry mix and this is my burger mix. I'm just gonna quickly put them in the microwave, 600 watts for 30 seconds, and I'll be right back. These have just come back from the microwave. I don't know, a lot changed. The potato became like obviously stiffer and harder, and the buns have risen. What? The buns have risen and the patty is just like, looks like real cooked beef. It smells fantastic too. First for the fries. There, it just dropped by itself. I'm just slicing along the ridges. I don't have to think about my own width for the fries. And in the corrugated bowl, I'm just gonna add 1 cup of water to the blue sachet mix. Then I'm just gonna flatten the cheese mix onto this blue square mold. Take the pink ketchup packet. Put 2 cups of water. No! Oh my god, that was the cola packet! Ah! Is there a way to save it? No! Mistake! No! No! So this time for real, on the corrugated cup, take your red ketchup packet and add 2 cups of water. Now that they've cooled, I'm just gonna remove the buns and the burger patty from the mold. Haha! Wow! This looks like a fucking cochinta. I'm going to slice the bottom bun to keep it flat, and also the top bun just to make one side of it even. Also gonna split the patty because it's too thick. That looks not good. I'm ready to put the pieces together. Patty, cheese, ketchup, patty, and then bun. Then I'm gonna insert my fries into the fry bag. Add the cola and then you're done. I really wish this wasn't expired because it smells so good and I really want to taste it. I had fun. The kit was really easy to follow. I think it's really the cakes I'm having like such a hard time with. Not only mixing all the different icings and ingredients, but it's just like really draining. Whereas the food items tend to be more, you just mix everything once and then put them all together. So that's easy for me. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Bye!